Karishma Tanna and Upen Patel might be seen grooving together romantically in the upcoming season of Nach Baliye. The popular dance reality show that stars real-life celebrity couples as contestants is gearing up for its new season, and several celebrities have already been finalized for the show. While talks with Mahesh Bhatt and wife Soni Razdan is on, the rumors also have it that Bigg Boss 8 couple Karishma and Upen have also given the nods. Well, thanks for watching this video. Now hit the like button and subscribe our channel to watch more. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy.